Welcome to the Transactions module in Prana POS. This section manages all day-to-day inventory movements, from purchasing goods to stock adjustments and transfers between locations. A purchase order is the starting point. It's a formal request sent to suppliers for the goods you need. It defines items, quantities, prices, and delivery terms. Every shipment begins with a PO, and every verification depends on it. When goods arrive, the goods received note records what was actually received. It matches the PO. It captures shortages or damages. And it becomes the proof for stock entry and payment. When goods are faulty, excess, or incorrect, a purchase return note is issued. It sends items back to the supplier. It corrects stock levels and helps adjust financial entries. A stock take verifies reality. Your team physically counts items and matches them against the system. It helps detect shrinkage, errors, or missing stock, and keeps your inventory valuation accurate. When stock is damaged, expired, or lost, a write-off removes it from the system. This prevents overstatement and directly impacts profit or loss. An indent is an internal request. Stores raise it when they need stock from the warehouse. It maintains availability and often comes before raising a purchase order. Transfer out records stock sent from one location to another. It reduces stock from the sending store and keeps internal movements clean and trackable. Transfer in records the goods received from another location. It increases stock and completes the internal transfer cycle. With Prana POS, every transaction is tracked with clarity. Every movement is recorded, and your inventory stays fully under control.